Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The SHARDOR electric Burr coffee bean grinder is positioned as a functional entry point for coffee enthusiasts who want to move beyond the limitations of pre-ground coffee or basic blade grinders. It is a compact appliance finished in a matte black that aims to provide a balance between precision and simplicity for the daily home ritual. At a price point of approximately $38, it enters a competitive market where consistency and ease of use are the primary metrics for success. This specific model focuses on the core mechanics of coffee preparation by utilizing metal flat burrs rather than the spinning blades found in many budget-friendly options. The shift to a burr system is the most significant aspect of this machine as it changes the way coffee beans are broken down from a random chopping motion to a controlled crushing process. This fundamental difference is what allows for the variety of grind sizes needed for different brewing methods and ensures that the flavor profile of the bean is not compromised during the process. Looking at the construction and physical design of the unit, it features a vertical orientation that minimizes its footprint on a kitchen counter, which is an important consideration for those with limited space. The primary grinding mechanism consists of metal flat burrs which are widely regarded for producing a more uniform particle size compared to the uneven results of a blade. The exterior is primarily composed of durable materials that fit a modern aesthetic, while the functional components like the burrs themselves are engineered for longevity and heat resistance. There is a clear bean hopper at the top which allows for easy monitoring of the remaining coffee supply and a removable grounds container at the bottom designed to minimize mess. The interface is intentionally straightforward with a single start button and a dial for the timer which can be adjusted up to 50 seconds. This design philosophy suggests a focus on one-touch operation where the user can set their preferences and let the machine handle the rest without constant supervision. The inclusion of 40 different grind settings is integrated into the collar of the hopper, allowing for a tactile and intuitive way to switch between different brewing styles. Performance is where the technical specifications of the SHARDOR grinder become relevant to the actual flavor of the coffee in the cup. The motor operates at 7,000 revolutions per minute, which is considered a relatively low speed for a consumer-grade grinder. This lower speed is intentional because it reduces the amount of friction and heat generated during the grinding process. Heat is often the enemy of fresh coffee as it can prematurely release the volatile oils and aromatics that contribute to the nuanced flavor profile of the beans. By keeping the temperature low, the grinder helps preserve the integrity of the roast and prevents the coffee from tasting scorched or flat. With 40 distinct grind settings, the machine offers a wide spectrum of textures ranging from a fine powder suitable for espresso to a coarse grit needed for a French press or cold brew. Having this many increments allows a user to fine-tune their grind based on the specific age and roast level of their beans. A slightly finer setting might be used for a lighter roast to increase extraction, while a darker roast might benefit from a coarser setting to avoid over-extraction and bitterness. The consistency of the grind size is a major factor in how evenly water flows through the coffee during brewing. When the particles are uniform, the water extracts flavor at the same rate across the entire bed of coffee, which leads to a more balanced and predictable result every time. The 50-second adjustable timer adds a layer of convenience that is often missing from manual or more basic electric models. This feature allows for a repeatable workflow where the user can determine exactly how much coffee they need for their specific brewer and set the timer accordingly. Instead of standing over the machine and guessing when enough coffee has been ground, the timer ensures that the same amount of beans are processed every morning. This is particularly useful for those who follow a specific recipe or ratio of coffee to water. The one-touch operation simplifies the morning routine, making it accessible even for those who are not deeply familiar with the technicalities of coffee science. The machine is designed to be efficient and relatively quiet compared to high-speed blade grinders, which can be a significant benefit in a quiet household. This grinder is best suited for individuals who are beginning to explore the nuances of home brewing and are looking for a significant upgrade without a massive financial commitment. It is an ideal choice for someone who primarily uses a drip coffee maker, a pour-over setup, or a French press and wants to see a noticeable improvement in their coffee quality. While it does offer settings fine enough for espresso, it is likely most effective for pressurized portafilters or entry-level espresso machines rather than high-end professional setups that require extreme micro-adjustments. For the average person who wants to grind enough coffee for a full pot in one go, the capacity and the timer are practical features that provide a repeatable amount of grounds without needing to weigh the beans for every single cup. It serves those who value their time and want a reliable tool that performs its job consistently day after day. It is also a great option for office environments or small households where simplicity and ease of cleaning are prioritized. In a broader sense, the SHARDOR electric Burr grinder represents a functional and accessible tool for the modern kitchen. It successfully addresses the most common complaints about budget grinders by focusing on grind uniformity and heat management through its metal burr system and low-speed motor. While it may not have the heavy steel construction or the infinite adjustments of a commercial unit costing hundreds of dollars, it offers a substantial amount of versatility for roughly $38. It is a practical solution for anyone looking to elevate their morning routine by ensuring their beans are ground with care and precision. The balance of 40 settings and a simple one-touch interface makes it an approachable device that demystifies the technical side of coffee preparation. It stands as a reliable mid-range option that delivers on its promise of better flavor through better grinding mechanics. By providing a consistent grind and preserving the natural oils of the bean, it allows the user to experience the full potential of their favorite coffee roasts. Ultimately, it is a well-rounded machine that offers a significant step up in quality for the casual drinker while maintaining a level of simplicity that fits into a busy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.